Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys quick overview of what I'm doing here today. You know, it's early August. So I think I mentioned earlier, my sun gold tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, took a bit of a heat hit. You know, one of the few things that, tomato plants are extremely resilient and hardy, but the one thing they really can't handle is a shock of underwatering and extreme heat for several days. And we just got back from vacation, and I had these set up on timer. You can see I have it on a timer drip system, but you spiked in here in New York over 100 degrees for a bunch of days. And when that happened, you can see a bunch of these got damaged. I pruned away a bunch of the dead stuff already, but now I'm just, my game plan now is try to prune back a little bit more of the dead. And what I'm going to do is do a compost cover. So I thought I'd give you guys a show you today is, while I'm here listening to Handsome Furs and a little wolf parade this morning. Basically what I'll do is I'll do a coating of this compost that we've been producing this year in the backyard. It's basically in June and July did this, and what I'll do is I'll basically just throw it on here. You can see I have this is our my mesh to keep away super aggressive Brooklyn squirrels. Fortunately I still need this because they will dig. So I keep this on, but just throw this layer of compost on over the top. I clear away some of the mulch I have on top to keep hydration and of the water, but I'll throw this directly on top of the soil, covered again with mulch, and then I'm going to throw a little bit of fertilizer on, organic fertilizer. Again, we don't use any thing from big box stores back here. And then what I'll do is cover it back up, and then I'll see how these plants bounce back, because hopefully we'll get these give them as much of a shot to recuperate and bounce back as possible. And that's really just with some good compost nutrients. Make sure they're getting plenty of nutrients in this final month of August.